we go.
Alright, hey guys, Eric here, Carolina Autos. Today we're headed up to the GoPro Motoplex. There's a car show up there. Was trying to meet everybody up to drive up together, but Joan had a problem with her car this morning, wouldn't start, so I had to deal with that. But got the car washed up, and we're gonna head up there. I'll bring you guys some POV footage while we're on the way up. Looks like we're about 35 minutes out. We'll do a little rip when we get onto the highway over here. Traction control there. All right. Gear. This thing is so loud now. Sounds good though. Okay, off the highway. Cruising through a couple of nice little neighborhoods up here in Mooresville, near Lake Norman. If you guys aren't familiar with the area. Real pretty lake just north of Charlotte. I did not run into any of the guys, so I'm either ahead of them or behind them, and I'm gonna guess behind them. But we'll see when we get. Looks like we're following this 350Z, or maybe it's a 370, I can't tell, because there's a Lexus in the way. Crappy Lexus. The Camaro just wants to go. Wants to be let loose. I've never been up here actually. This is the go-kart racing place. Oh, there's some old muscle cars. Sweet. Well, let's ride around and see if we can find us a good spot to park. And I don't see any in my group yet, but we'll go take a look around. Film some cars for y'all. This car is so bad. Alright guys, we're here at the GoPro Motoplex. Took a couple pictures of some cars, saw a Really cool ZR1, like an old school 4-cam, quad-cam ZR1 from the 90s. A Chevy SS. I'll get a couple videos of those cars too, and pop some pictures and stuff in there. But I came over here to watch this go-kart race because that's pretty cool. Check them out. We're here at turn 1. I assume that's turn 1. But I'd never been up here before, so this is pretty neat. I'll have to get up here and race some go-karts. Maybe put some stuff like that on the channel. I think I'll find that pretty cool. But take a look around. Good facilities. There's pit road and everything behind me. And then hanging out, some nice little tables and stuff to hang out and watch the racing. So it's pretty neat. So you guys see all of our group behind me here. There's my car. Some of the supercharged cars are all over here. Go take a look. See the big Whipple cars. Or that's a factory ZR1. That one's a Whipple car. Nitrous car. Pretty good group. But let's go check out some of these other things. They're announcing all the different races for the go-karts. There's a AMG GTR over there next to an Audi. There's a Z28 right there, which is neat, and some old school muscle cars further back. But let me go show you guys around this ZR1. So I just wanted to show out the ZR1 here. I don't know why I love these cars, but I do. It's got the old quad cam V8 overhead cam. With a few overhead cam V8s Chevy's ever made. Pretty neat. We've got some big block Chevelles, like a 72, 73, 454, and a red 396, which is actually a 402. Firebird. We got a GTO, a random Subaru, and this awesome Chevy SS over here. The Magnum Supercharger. 650, runs a 10.6. Quick car. And then we got a new C8, which I haven't really been up close. I've seen them in dealerships, but I've seen a couple around, but this one's really cool. I like the stripes. We'll check out the interior on it. And the LT. And see how the back fits in there. They're really pretty cars. So all in all, pretty good collection here. I've been quite surprised. I'm always surprised at the car scene in Charlotte. Let's go look at this GTR though. Because I think Mercedes are the modern muscle cars of the supercar world. Oh, there's a Buell here. You guys remember those things? Mid-2000s probably. That's actually a really nice one. I'd love to have one like that. But there's the GTR. I'll flip it around and film it. I'm not sure if that's a wrap or if that's paint. Looks like a wrap, but it looks really good. RS5. Some Camaros. A Dale Earnhardt special. Pretty neat. A DeLorean. How about that? That's pretty wild. The gated manual. That's so neat. Mid-engine or rear engine. That is cool. He's even got him a CD player in there. Oh, that's neat rat rod. So the story on the rat rod back here is the kid in the red shirt over there built it. Him and his brother, they're 12 and 15, so really neat. They built it in a shop. So you guys go look them up. They're Rat Rod Rock Stars on YouTube. You want to say anything to everybody?
Yeah, just whenever you're searching it, Rat Rod Rock Stars is 4 words, and me and my brother built this. I'm 12 and he's 15. My name's Cody and my brother's name is Bryant.
So Cody and Brian. Yep, there we go. So they did this, all the welding and everything themselves. It's pretty impressive. I'll take a couple of closer pictures of it, put it in the video for you guys. But I mean, just look at the, like, all the little details. They're a lot more creative than I am, that's for sure. Pretty neat. Alright guys, rolling out of the meet. That was a lot of fun, actually. This is such a good group of guys to be around. Supra. Guy's wing says 6 feet apart. Sideways action. Oh my god, that car is loud.